Imagine waking up in a world with no electricity, no cars, no factories, no mass-produced clothes, and no modern cities. That world existed just 300 years ago. But then something happened, a spark that transformed humanity forever. This is the Industrial Revolution. Before machines took over, life was slow. Most people lived in villages. Work was done by hand-spinning thread, farming with simple tools, and crafting goods one at a time. It took hours to make a single shirt or a single nail. In the mid-1700s, Britain had the perfect recipe for change coal: iron, fast-flowing rivers, growing trade, and new scientific ideas. Inventors started to ask a bold question: what if machines could do the work faster than humans? And then came the inventions that shook the world. James Watt's improved steam engine powered factories, mines, and later locomotives. The spinning jenny and power loom multiplied cloth production. Iron and steel innovations created stronger machines and buildings. Railways connected continents, moving goods faster than ever before. For the first time in history, machines replaced human muscles. Cities exploded with growth. People left villages for factory jobs. Streets filled with smoke, noise, and endless activity. But progress had a dark side. Long work hours, child labor, dangerous machines, and polluted air. Still, the Industrial Revolution changed human life forever. It brought mass production, modern transportation, global trade, electricity, medicine, and communication. It was the beginning of the modern world, messy, loud, revolutionary, and unstoppable. From smartphones to skyscrapers, from cars to factories, everything we use today traces back to that powerful moment when machines took over. The Industrial Revolution didn't just change history. It changed us,